Okay, artists, it is time to make our own bus. Mrs. Pulliam has a tracer for you. So if you can take your tracer and set it on your yellow paper, and you notice that there's this point in the corner where it's kind of like an angle, what you can do is line it up right at the bottom of your paper. So we have a straight line, and then all you have to trace is the top of the bus, the window, and the front of the bus with your pencil. Now you'll need your scissors to cut on that pencil line you just drew. Take your time, follow that curvy road, do the best cut you can. Trim that up. Okay, great. That'll go to recycling. I'm done with my stencil and my pencil. Now I'll get out my paper and I'm going to find a place to glue my art, my bus. So you'll want to open up your glue stick. I just have the squeeze glue in my art room today, and I'm only going to add a couple of dots. With your squeeze glue, or with your glue stick rather, you're gonna go all the way around the outside of the bus. I'm just gonna add some dots, just like that. And I think I'll put my bus here like it's going off the page. All right, now my next tool are my crayons. And with my crayons, I am ready to add details. And I need to add some shapes that will make the bus look like a bus. And I'm looking for my black crayon. Okay. Guess we'll use blue for now. So let's add the windows to the bus. I'm going to add some squares, 2 squares, and then I'm going to add a triangle for the bus drivers. Now let's add some wheels. I'm going to draw circles, 1 for the front, 1 for the back. I think I'll make smaller circles on the inside to show how the wheels attach. I'm going to color that in. Use those wiggles. You can color your wheels any color you want. Okay, good deal. Now let's draw some of our city. We're going to make this bus look like it's on the ground. So I'm going to draw a straight line, stop and pick up, continue on the other side. Now my bus is on the road, and there's the sidewalk. Should we add some details to our bus? We can write the word bus. Maybe I draw the front of the bus where it has the grill, or the bumper in the front. How about a light? I'll use a circle for that. Cool. And a lot of buses I notice have stripes. So I'm going to put some long lines on my bus. And if you want, you could draw a friend in the bus. Hello, friend. They're headed to Central Grade School. Now let's make some of those buildings. You could maybe make the school or a building you pass as you come by and leave school. So I'm going to draw some rectangles. Up, over, down. We're going to make 3. Up, over, down. Notice it's behind the bus, so I have to stop. Up, over, down. So all of my buildings are rectangles. Some of them are wider, skinnier, taller, shorter. So let's add some entryways to the to the buildings. And some windows, squares and rectangles again. Boy, we're using a lot of shapes in this art. This one we're just going to put windows because you can't see the door. Looking good so far. Looks like I need some doorknobs and ways to enter. More shapes. Great. I think I'll even draw some dashed lines down the center to make it look like the car is driving. So let's add our color with our crayons. And once again, we're going to wiggle out the color with just our wrist. Wiggle around the windows. You get to have lots of fun adding colors and details to your buildings now. There. I think this one will be the school. So I'm going to write SCHOOL for school. Let's put a big rectangle around it so we know this is where you enter the school. And our central grade school is made out of bricks. So I'm going to color the building red. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, I'm going to stop now. I'm going to let you have some work time to color and add details with all sorts of things. And I can't wait to see what you put on your bus.